What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is BrittneyJasmine, and for today's video I wanted to do a little unboxing of this welcome gift I got from Sigma Beauty. I got it in the mail yesterday and I was just like so thrilled that they sent this to me complimentary, and I was just like soaking in the moment, and I was just so extremely grateful for these products that they sent me. And they also gave me a coupon code for you guys, and that will be linked down below, and that will give you money off for your purchase. And let's just jump right in. When you open it up, sorry, I already like rummaged through it, so it's kind of like messy, but when I opened it up, it came with this cute little card, and it's just like a Sigma postcard. On the inside it says, "Brittney, welcome to the Sigma family. I hope you enjoy your Sigma goodies." So when I first opened the package, the first thing I seen was this Sigma brush. What is this called? A Sigma Spa Express Bug. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. A Sigma Spa Express brush cleaning mat. And I honestly see these all over social media, Instagram and stuff, and I've always wanted to try one of these. Like, they have these little grippy things on it just to clean your brush, and it's just like cute little, it's a cute little brush cleaner. Now the second thing I got was this Sigma foam brush shampoo, and this came in a big bottle like so, and it's like, it's super full, so I'm gonna be getting a lot of use out of this because I use, like, I don't know if this is embarrassing or not, but I use dish soap to clean my brushes. I just find it gets all of the foundations out and all like the cream products out. So I don't know, does anyone else do that? Let me know down in the comments what you use to clean your brushes. And the next thing I got was the Sigma 3D HD blender, and this is one of their beauty sponges. I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging just to see what it looks like. Oh, it feels so soft, you guys. Sorry, my nail's broken, don't mind that, but it looks like this. It's like a cool dimensional shape. Wow, I am super excited to try this out, and it feels really soft. I am excited to try that out. Alright, the next three things are brushes, and this one is the Sigma F80 flat Kabuki brush. I'm just going to take it out just to show you guys how it looks, and honestly I heard so much raves about this brush on YouTube, like crazy good reviews, and it just looks like this. And you guys, it is super soft. So this I would use for my foundations, just to, you know, buff it into the skin and just get like a nice flawless finish. So I am super excited to try this one. And this one was actually Best of Beauty award winner at the Allure it says. And the next brush I got is the F37 Spotlight Duster, and it just looks like this. See if I could take it out. I don't know, this packaging is pretty hard to open when you don't have like a scissors handy. Alright, so I got it open, and the brush just looks like this. It's like a nice fluffy, I guess you could just use this to like dust your setting powder under your eyes, or maybe for your highlight. Alright, so the next brush that I got is the Sigma E36 blending brush, and it's just a really tiny mini blending brush like that, just to really get into the small crevices of your eye. If you're doing a really detailed eye look, this is a really good brush to have to get into the small, you know, the small little spaces you got going on there. Also, I got a curling mascara. This is the Sinuosity Lash Curling Mascara. So the mascara wand looks like this. It's like a nice curved wand, which is actually really nice. I really like curved mascara wands because they get right into the lash line and they give you that nice curled voluminous look. And the next thing I got is a liquid pen eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, and this one I have not tried before. I actually haven't tried any of these products before. Like, I am totally new to Sigma. I have bought a few of their brushes before, but that's pretty much it, and I am just thrilled to get these products. Like, I'm a very happy girl right now. And the eyeliner pen just looks like this. I'm just gonna do a little swatch. Oh yeah, so it's a really, really black. It looks so good. Excited to try that as well. Now the next thing that I got is this eyeshadow base primer in the shade Bubbly. I actually have seen a girl doing a tutorial with this actual primer, and this is like a really, really nice shade. It's like a nice champagne shade, and you can actually use this up here in your brow bone. I'll just try a little bit right now just to show you guys. I'll just give you a nice little glow. And then you can also use this on your inner corner, or just what it says, an eyeshadow primer base. And this just gives you a nice little glow. Alright, so the last, or actually no, the second last thing that I got is this liquid lipstick in the shade Foxglove, and it's just a really nice, also almost looks like a fuchsia purpley shade. I'm just gonna give you a little swatch, and it just looks like that. Just a really nice bright color, just a really nice summery shade. I think would look really cute. And lastly, I got this Aura face powder. I'm pretty sure this is like a blush because it looks like a blush tone that I would normally go for, and it's really, really beautiful. And it's this shade here. It's just a really nice, muted, rosy pink color. I really, really like going for these shades because I think they're just the perfect blush shade for you, especially if you're using like a brighter lipstick or like a more dramatic eye look. You always want to go for kind of like a nude blush color, but regardlessly, I always use nude pink blushes. And this one is in the shade Cor de Rosa, and it just looks like this. And I'm pretty sure that's everything that I got in my little package. And honestly, I am so extremely grateful for this box. I am so thankful. So thank you, Sigma, for sending me these goodies. I am extremely grateful, and I will be using these products in upcoming tutorials. So stay tuned if you want to see me use these products on camera for you guys. And as I said earlier, I do have a coupon code. I will be listing it down below for you guys in the description box. So please don't forget to check that out. You can save money, you can save your coin if you want to get yourself some stuff on Sigma. And yeah, as always, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button if you haven't already. And also don't forget to hit the post notification button if you want to stay up to date on all my videos I upload. And yeah, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.